In a teeny tiny town not far from here live the happiest friends you'll ever cheer. With giggles and games and fun that prevails, each day begins with tiny town tales. Lulu, the ladybug runs the sweet shop. Buzz the bee makes the bubblegum pop. Maxie the mouse rides his speedy red bike, zooming down sidewalks, oh what a hike. Penny the puppy plays tag in the park, while fireflies glow and the sky gets dark. The mayor's a turtle so slow and wise, he tells bedtime stories under starry skies. There's a treehouse school where learning is cool, with crayons and cookies and a friendship rule. And every Friday there's a parade with balloons, kazoo bands, and lemonade. So if you ever feel lonely or blue, tiny towns wait, just waiting for you, where dreams are big and hearts are true, and tales come alive for me and you soon. Oh, it's your start.